Danke bafethu. So yabona uBasadien sengimbukele kakhulu. I think sengimbukele more than 10 games. If khona umuntu odeserve i-hype ngempela yabo, njengoba ama-team ambanga kanje, ama-big three amfuna wonke yabo, uyayi-deserve ngempela le hype ayitholayo. Lo muntu lona going forward uyakwazi ukulinka attackers, uyakwazi ukulinka nama-midfielder, udefenda kahle, une-aggression, unama-tackles agood, ibhola pinpoint passes, ama-passes wakhe agood. Uyakwazi nje ukushaya iphasi elibreaker i-defense. Maybe sengimbukele more than 10 to 15 games yabo, ngifuna ukubona ukuthi kahle kahle yini lento le abantu abayibonayo, yini lento le i-Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates abayibonayo laphana kule player leli yabo. But-ke mawayibheka i-game model yakhe nale way adlala ngakhona, uyi-superstar lo muntu lo. Yazi ngiyayibheka iminyaka yakhe uthi uneminyaka ewu-28 ukuthi e-Europe maybe soku-late nyana for yena, but what a player, what a player. Uyadeserve ngempela ukudlala kuma-top 3. But mangibheka yabona kulama-team lawa awu-3 ukuthi angaya kuphi ngempela, maya kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns uzobulala ama-career wabanye abantwana laphana yabo. Abanye abadlali ngeke basadlala ngempela kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns makungafika uBasadien, cause mawumbheka ukhompyutha noModiba even nakuma-national team, but u-better than uModiba. Why? In terms of i-defense good, in terms of i-defense ugood nanokuya phambili, while uModiba ugood as a football player but uyaleka laphana in terms of i-awareness yakhe naku-defense. Is not able to cover ukuya phambili, aphinde futhi a-track back, akwazi ukuvimba vele ama-opportunities ukuthi abangawa-create. Manje uBasadien uyaphambili, a-contribute naphambili, unama-assist, unama-goals. Lo muntu lona u-powerful ngempela laphana yabo. Uyakwazi ukulinka from i-position yakhe, natural position which is left back, uyakwazi ukuhlala khona, but-ke ithi mayi-attack uyakwazi uku-add inamba laphana phambili yabo, from the left hand flank ukuthi okay melithola ibhola, uthanda ibhola ey'nyaweni, udlala kahle kakhulu. Uyawathola ama-players wakhe, ama-passes wakhe agood, makuvaliwe phansi uyakwazi ukulilupa like ukuliphakamisa ukuthi abheke ukuthi iplayer likuphi yabo. Lawo ma-runs lawo anticipate-ile ama-runs from ama-forwards wakhe, uyakwazi ukuswitcha good ngama-passes yabo. Njengoba bengishilo mangiqala ukuthi baningi abantu abathola i-hype, but masewumbukela umuntu wakhona uyabona ukuthi ayikho-ke indaba yalo muntu lo, ayingeke bafowethu. But-ke la uBasadien sikhuluma nge-real deal la yabo, masikhuluma nge-superstar player sikhuluma ngalo muntu lo. Yazi izinto zenzeka ngenye indlela, lo muntu lo wayengabonakali sonke lesikhathi lesi, uqala ukubonakala manje njengoba ku-Stellenbosch. So kumele sithi shout out to Stellenbosch, the way scout ngakhona ama-player, indlela yabo nje uku-introduce ama-player. Thola ukuthi kudala likhona i-player but melifika ku-Stellenbosch liyavuka ngempela lishise yabo. Thola ukuthi kudala likhona i-player li-talented but belinganakwanga, but melifika ku-Stellenbosch liba i-different player yabo. Cause mawubheka ku-Stellenbosch like ama-players akhona laphana ethimini, ama-player-ke adlala kwamanye ama-teams la ku-P_S_L, but lapho besingabanaki yabo until ku-Stellenbosch. I don't know what they do right, but they doing amazing. They are doing an amazing job to the players, nanokuthi ba-resurrect ama-careers wabo, or not really resurrect but babanike i-different lane ukuthi kudlalwa kanjani. I-system ye-Stellenbosch isebenza kahle kakhulu yabo. Osadeni njengoba bengisho ukuthi if like lesi ama-big three bewamfuna kudala ngabe wamthola kalula ngemali encane futhi yabo, or even a free agent ngasikhathi, I think uyadlala i-Morocco Swallows if I'm not mistaken yabo. Yeah, but-ke mangiyivala nje what a player. Yeah, uyadeserve. Yazi lo muntu lo mangimbukela ibhola lase-South Africa akalideserve elinye because li-too low, udeserve ukudlala ama-international competitions ngempela serious lo muntu lo. What a talent. Baningi abantu abahypwayo but low hype-elwa into ekhona, ngiyayibona ngempela into abamhype-ela yona ubhuti, udlala kahle kakhulu, superstar defender, unamagoli. I think lapha ku-Stellenbosch unamagoli ayi-7 this season, unama-assist, wenza nje konke yabo. Danke bafowethu.